Hello, is this my Uber? Hello, okay. Alright guys, welcome back to the videos and welcome back to the vlogs. I know it's been a minute since you last saw me or the Rx8 as a matter of fact, but you know, I've been working in the background to get something done and I didn't want to talk about it or, you know, do any videos about it until it's all finished and ready to be revealed. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I mean, if you guys have been watching the past couple of videos though, you guys probably already have an idea of what it is. So we're on our way to the shop right now to pick up the Rx8. Got the text not that long ago saying it was all good and ready. Didn't expect to pick it up today, so you know, little bit of a last minute thing here. But we're on our way to pick up the car right now and I can't wait to show you guys. I haven't seen it myself yet as well. Haven't even seen pictures or anything, so really excited for this. I mean, you guys probably already tell from the title of the video, but yeah, I'm really excited and we should be there in like literally 10 more minutes. So this is it. This is the brand new RMagic wing finally installed, painted, and mounted onto the car itself. And I have to say, I'm really happy I went with this color combination because originally I thought about just leaving the black piece right here, the black blade, red. I was thinking about leaving the blade painted red, but I saw some pictures and some inspiration online, and you know, I just kind of copied the vibe of the FD, and you know, decided to paint this black instead with this. And man, I gotta say, it looks beautiful. Oh, I think that's the shop owner right there. Man. But yeah, what do you guys think about this? I know some of you guys weren't the biggest fan of it when I first revealed it like a week ago. Some of you guys preferred the GT wing, but I gotta say, with it painted and everything, it looks big. Hey Andy, bro, you guys did a great job. It looks fucking beautiful. It looks beautiful.
Overheard on the phone. What crack?
Huh?
Something crack?
Oh, no. It was saying that there's this like little piece of crack here, but it was originally like that too.
Oh, okay.
But it's fine though. I mean, this is a driver's car, so you know, I'm just gonna be whipping it anyways.
My bad.
Alright.
Wanted to fix it? I would redo it.
No, don't even bother. What is this though?
What?
Was it like that? I don't remember.
That's from your exhaust.
I guess the flames, bro. I don't know.
Yeah, you be getting
Huh? No, I don't have it flame tuned or anything, but it does shoot out. Yeah, it just shoots out.
Yeah. I told you I have one, right?
Yeah, I don't see your FD here today, but you know, this guy got an FD too. And man,
yeah,
it's beautiful.
FD is home.
Man, it looks sick.
Put that up on your page, sell it for me.
That's 2,000? How much is that 2,000 for?
I'll let it go for 18,000.
18,000? Damn. Alright.
It has AP2 everything.
AP2? Is it originally an AP2 or is it boosted?
Yes.
It's boosted? Well, if you guys are looking for a S2000, wait, it does. You want an S2000? Oh my god, dude, that's a big turbo. 18 grand? Mm-hmm. Oh yes, look at that. You already got your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto ready too.
Apple CarPlay, everything. You can watch YouTube.
You watch YouTube.
You can watch YouTube with the top down.
And you could hear this, you know. Cool. First cold start in a week, man. Oh, it's actually not that. It wasn't even that loud. I guess it is a little bit warm actually. So temperature's already up a little bit. 134 degrees here. Thermostat's not open yet, so. But yeah, car's warming up. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit. I'm gonna admire this wing a little bit more. But yeah, let me guys know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. I think the only weird angle is from right here. It looks a little bit weird from standing right here, but I think literally any other angle, here, and like here, it's absolutely beautiful. I don't know, I really like it. And this is not the only surprise I have for you guys. I got something else also, and I'm gonna reveal that once I get this thing home. But you know, first I gotta get this thing home.
You got bridge for it?
Yeah, bro. I can turn it up.
I didn't know that wing could do all that.
Yeah. He let you borrow the Miata?
No, this is where he lives.
Oh, nice.
I'm waiting for him. He's getting gas for, oh, you'll see.
Okay.
So he just went to pick up this thing yesterday.
Uh-huh.
I don't even know what it is. But, I mean,
is that a bike?
Yes.
Is it a little scooter? Oh shit. I like the sick ride, dude.
It's so bright.
Bro, it's that Honda thing, bro.
It's so bright. I don't know if that's a highway or a road.
Bro, that's just sick. Is this like street legal? Can you go on like the roads on this? Yeah? Like highway too?
Yeah.
Yeah? Damn, what the hell? I feel like the only angle it looks bad in is like directly right here. Because it looks kind of funky. It looks kind of funky. Like every other angle though, like it just looks so good.
I don't see it, bro. It looks,
yeah, nah?
It still looks clean to me. I guess it just depends on what kind of person you are.
Yeah. Yeah, I think it's like when you look straight up onto it, it just looks a little bit off. Like it doesn't match the car. Yeah, the side profile is sick. Yeah, the side profile is definitely a lot meaner now. I like this a lot. I like it a lot.
Yo, that's me. That's me right here.
Bro, low Miatas are.
Stupid low.
Oh my god, dude.
What is life,
It's been
bro?
so long
since
right?
I was just warming it up. When I told you, I was like turning it on and warming it up because he was like, yo, like overheating. I'm still trying to figure that out.
Bro, I love this too. The roll down window.
Yeah.
It's sick.
Very old school.
Yeah, so what, this car's having overheating issues?
Yeah,
Was
yeah,
it the
but I
same
think-
issues they had last time?
Huh? I think so. I think he told you about it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, so I don't know. I mean,
Back in the NA, is this like 1.6?
yeah. What's this?
Oh wow, I don't think I've ever
Oh, the
experienced.
clutch is extremely light, dude. Forgot about that.
Hey.
If you're in an NA, this is a mandatory.
Oh yeah, that's mandatory. I mean, I can see how this gets in your view. All right.
This one does.
Yeah, this one
The
because it's so close to you.
Yeah, the one on my side, yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see how that blocks your view on the toll gates. Do you miss it?
You know, he asked me that right now, and I was like, because of how similar my car is, I don't. Because they are very similar. Obviously, that is faster, right? But they're extremely similar, so.
It rides really smooth too, which is shocking. Like there's no torque.
Dude,
Did you just bring it up to the red line there?
This sounds like your car.
It does?
No, I went to like 3,000.
Oh, okay. I was like, that if that was red line, there was like zero torque, bro.
Nah, you're gonna feel it.
Yeah, there's nothing. It's like zero, nothing.
He's behind me. I'm scared this guy
Yeah.
might break late.
Oh, okay. We're getting gapped.
You might get got, bro.
We got gapped. Oh, I got turn signals too?
Yeah.
What the hell?
By
That's
the way,
a
this
cool
is not
thing.
what we do on Long Island on a daily. This is just, you know,
Oh, look, there's a...
we're neighbors, but we like barely see each other.
Good morning, guys. It's actually the next day now. I'm actually about to move my car for alternate side parking, but if you guys remember earlier in the video, I said I had something else to reveal aside from the wing. Well, here it is, guys. I don't know if you guys will know what this is based on just the box alone, but I've been talking about this. This is like the other thing that I've been trying to get done to the car. This is actually the aluminum undertray. Some of you guys also commented and recommended this brand, so you know, when I was looking it up, this was the one I decided to go for. There was a couple of companies that make these, like Rx8 Performance, and there was another one I'm just not remembering on top of my head, but finally decided to pull the trigger and it arrived. It took quite a little bit to arrive, so I'm really happy finally it's here. Haven't unboxed it yet, so hopefully everything is good inside, but yeah, I don't have the tools to, I know I'm gonna need to bend some of the metals in here, and I don't think I have the tools for that, so I'm most likely just gonna be dropping it off at a friend that can help me do it, or taking it to a shop. Yeah, it's gonna have to be one or the other, but I do have to, yeah, I'm in a little bit of a rush, so let me get ready, and I'll see you guys outside of the car. Damn, that's crazy, guys. In like the 5-10 minutes it took for me to get ready, it just suddenly started raining. This is what I mean by the weather in New York has been super inconsistent. here's the RX8 still here. You know, no one hit it. It looks like. You know, let me double check the front. I'm always scared whenever I street park this thing. All right, yeah. Oh, what is that? Is that a new? Hold up, guys. I need to check if that's a new scratch. Is that? Okay, no. It just wipes off. So it looks like it was just dirt. I was like, oh no, there's someone else back into my bumper. Thank God. But the wing looks sick. The wing looks absolutely beautiful, but it does look like it's, you know, it's catching some stuff on the base of the wing here. I do got to give it a wash whenever it decides to stop raining, because I'm not about to wash it while it's still raining. But I gotta move my car now before I get a ticket. Alright, if you guys aren't from New York and you don't have alternate side parking wherever you live, essentially what it is just street cleaning. So like every Tuesday, Wednesday, they'll clean like a certain side of the street, and this really depends on what street you're on. Like literally, if you go further down this block, it changes to Monday, Friday, and then like you go up on another block, it could be like Thursday, right? So it's different for every single street, but that's essentially what it is. They'll have everyone move their car, and then some like a truck thing would come by and just sweep the streets. It's usually never super clean, but you know, they do it, and if you don't move your car, you'll get a ticket. So I'm moving my car right now. Cold start. Man, you know what's crazy? I haven't had the car for like a week, right? So I haven't had to get gas in a week, and I get it back, I drive it like one day, and like I'm already almost at half a tank, so I probably need to fill up sometime soon. Probably not today. And yeah, let me get going here. I actually don't know where I'm gonna go. Usually during street cleaning, if I have to move my car, I'll go wash my car or something, right? But since it's raining, I'm not gonna do that. So I might go bother Sean for a little bit. He hasn't seen the wing yet, so let me see if I can bother him real quick. Did I wake you?
Yo, you texted me yesterday, go, yo, you be awake at 9 a.m. and I'm like, no, 10. What time you come here?
You were up, so I texted you and you were like...
Yeah, I was like, oh.
It's kind of dirty now, you know. I noticed that again, there's a lot of dirt here around the base of the wing here. Ew, what is this? Like,
pollen.
Yeah, so it's probably gonna need a good wash, but I think it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. I think the only weird angle is probably like straight on like this. It just looks, I don't know, I wouldn't say it's bad, but like, you know, it just looks a little bit funky straight on. But like, yeah, like this angle, very nice. This angle, also very nice. You know, everything else is honestly pretty good. It's just, yeah. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned this, but you could also adjust the blade. So, you know, you can see like there's little holes here, so you can go up lower or higher. I mean, I don't know why I would want it higher, but you know.
You're also not tracking the car yet, so like,
yeah. Let me know in the comment section below what do you guys think of it now that it's painted. I know some of you guys weren't the biggest fan of it in the comment section, saying that you guys will wait to see when it's painted. So now that it's done, what do you guys think? You guys like it? You hate it? You still prefer if I got the GT wing? Honestly, I really like the way that this came out, so yeah, I'm glad I didn't choose the GT wing over this. Though if I ever do decide to track the car like way down the road, maybe I'll slap on a nice GT wing on there, but I'm not gonna get rid of this anytime soon. But yeah, I'm really liking how it came out, but let me know what you guys think below. Honestly, it looks really good with like this, with the Monster Speed style bumper. I think like this angle right here where you could just barely see the wing looks really nice as well. Yeah, overall pretty good. Only thing I gotta fix now is this giant hole right here, but we do have the part at home, so no, gotta put that on. Hopefully by the next video you see it will be on, or it will be going on, and then I could just run the tow gates again. Yeah, pretty much like a chip tooth.
It's like a chip tooth.
Sean.
Bye, Jerry.
Good day to you.
Bye-bye. All right, I'm gonna head back home now. Street cleaning should be done. And we just ended up going to get some energy drinks because both of us about to work in like 2 hours. So, you know, yeah, that's always fun. So I'm gonna go home, park my car. I'm not gonna drive to work today. I'm just trying to minimize my driving time. until I get my Undertray situation sorted, which we will get to that. Like, that's gonna be literally the next thing we do. So I'm gonna head back home, park the car, and then, you know, head straight to work. In the meantime, I finally found these. I don't know if you guys drink energy drinks like that, right? But I found like these big cans of Celsius. I've tried them once, but I didn't know they had a mango flavor. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty good. Not sponsored, but you know, I'm gonna go home, park the car, and then head to work. So I'm gonna wrap up the video here. So as always, if you made it this far in the video, really appreciate you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch the content all the way through. And I mean that every single time I say it. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up stuff now. Hopefully by the next time you guys see me, I'll have like the Undertray sorted, or you know, starting to get it sorted. And yeah, until then though, remember to keep on driving, remember to stay safe, because the world's a crazy place, so you gotta do your part to stay safe, all right? And yeah, peace.